up and away. Saturday morning. Had to skip my cartoons in the morning. Go help Nico. Yeah, we're getting ready for SEMA. And he's driving the Z up. And unfortunately, his Z is leaking like a sieve. Got oil leak out the back. He did a manual transmission swap on it. Put in a clutch. And the clutch is poo-poo. It drives like poop. So we're gonna go ahead and put in a new McLeod clutch, get the flywheel resurfaced, change the rear main seal. Yeah, fun, but good thing I got a lift. So we'll go ahead and slap that bad boy up there, tag team that thing, get it knocked out, and yeah, get on with our day. Oh, to be young and on time.
Oh my god, he's alive. Be here at 10.
Hey dude, when you get old,
10:56. Oh.
I'm telling you dude, when you get old, things hurt. The balls get to a certain level of sag.
You better get in line. Won't go another day of wasting any time. I've got a lot to say, can't hold it in this time. Got no filter, I got no filter. 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 No filter, I got no filter.
Clean car is a happy car. Take it apart, get it clean, put it back on. Don't ever put back on dirty shit. Because if you do, your car won't be happy. Especially if you gotta go back in there and work on it. Getting there. Take the flywheel, go get the flywheel resurfaced in the morning, bring it back, get back on it, get it slapped together. I think we found why it's leaking oil. We got lucky, easy fix. Hopefully, fingers crossed, right? And we'll be SEMA ready. Get her up and going. Oh, what a way to spend the weekend. I need a margarita, dude. Forgot it.
Get away, you better get in line. Won't go another day of wasting any time. I've got a lot to say, can't hold it in this time. Got no filter, I got no filter. 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 No filter, I got no filter.
Meow! All right, back at it. So, last night we struggled with getting this thing up and going because we were missing parts. Had to get the flywheel resurfaced, so Nico went ahead and did that today. Got that done, and we found, or we hope we found, where the oil leak's coming from. Nico built this thing, or assembled the oil pan. You see it's crusty as can be. Oh, what are you doing over there? You trying to hide the scene of the crime? So part of the oil pan is there's supposed to be these bolts that go up there and go right here. Yeah, those weren't there. What do you gotta say about yourself, dude?
It's been a long day, okay?
Well, that's today. What about then?
It was a long day that day.
Yeah, why you gotta bring up old shit, right? So, progress. We're gonna move forward. I'm gonna play with this lightsaber here and beat Nico to death.
High ground.
And we're gonna get this thing put in. Transmission's all clean, ready to go. Drive shaft clean, ready to go. Old China clutch, straight boo-boo. And the resurfaced flywheel. Clean it up, pack it up. Let me begin. Check the leaks. No leaks. Sick. Great success. Voila. Gonna warm up, going to test drive. No more chatter. Alrighty, boys and girls, quick tech tip. When installing a new clutch, no matter what aftermarket clutch you put in, you need to adjust the dead play. So there's going to be a portion of the throw of the clutch pedal that doesn't have any resistance, and then you reach the engagement point of the clutch. You want to make sure you have a very small amount of play. You don't want to have no play, because if you have no play, then what's going to end up happening is the clutch won't be able to release. So a little bit of play, not an excessive amount of play like this. That'll go a long way with making sure that your aftermarket clutch, one, lives long and also performs at its best. Crack of dawn.
It's 10 a.m.
10 a.m. It's dawn somewhere, I guess. Got my Yodi, got my Nico, got a Z. Let's go.
I've been dreaming on in my head like I've seen it. A life worth living is a life with meaning. I'll do what I love till my heart stops beating. I'm feeding this demon. Got a taste, can't erase bitterness in my face. Work a job every day till your dreams fade away. Like a card, never change, play the game that we say. I need a break. I'm staying strong, need to move on to be what I want. I'll keep dreaming on. I'm staying strong, need to move on to be what I want. I'll keep dreaming on.
Rise and shine. Day one. Wake up. This was ice cream. Now it's a chocolate shake. Winning.
I'm gonna be someone. It's never too late. Time staying strong, need to move on to be what I want. I'll keep dreaming on. Time staying strong, need to move on to be what I want. I'll keep dreaming on. I wanna be someone.
tired as can be. Word of the wise, pokey nachos, jalapenos. Fucking Nico ain't even over here to take credit for that one. I don't know where he disappeared to. Probably looking for a bathroom. Dude, all bad. Stomach is a bubbling. But we'll make it through.
I've been dreaming on in my head like I've seen it. A life worth living is a life with meaning. I'll do what I love till my heart stops beating. I'm feeding this demon. Got a taste, can't erase bitterness in my face. Work a job every day till your dreams fade away. Like a card, never change, play the game that we say. I need a break. Time staying strong, need to move on to be what I want. I'll keep dreaming on. Time staying strong.
Ooh, SEMA prep underway. Monday in the books. Nico got the booth all set up for what he's dealing with. I already knocked out 3 classes today. I am spent. Time to go get some food. I don't know, prime rib maybe. Maybe a buffet. Getting old, can't pack it away like I used to. But oh man, getting hungry. I've been drinking in these beautiful cars all day, and now it's time to grub. Woo! All right, finally made it off the tram. Little dude wasn't having it. He was giving people the 3 fingers.
To move on to be what I want, I'll keep dreaming on. Staying strong, need to move on to be what I want. I'll keep dreaming on. Time staying strong, need to move on to be what I want. I'll keep dreaming on.